For those of you that follow me on Instagram, watch my stories, or follow me on TikTok, this is a week late. I am so sorry. I wasn't able to film last week, but let's go ahead and do my latest Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's a good one. Before we dive into my newest handbag, I did want to share a little story time of my Louis Vuitton Murakami order. I'm gonna pop on a video of me unboxing what I ordered. So obviously I ordered that, or pre-ordered that, a while back, and I really had my heart set on getting something for this collection. If you've been a follower of mine for a while, you know that I'm not big into Louis Vuitton's collection. I'm a neutrals girl, I'm a classics girl, so I don't tend to gravitate towards any of their collections. However, the Murakami collection has always just had a little piece of my heart ever since Jessica Simpson was on screen wearing the Speedy 30 multicolor with the pocket in the front. As you know, I've purchased one, maybe even two in the past, and I've gotten them and they just have not been in the condition that I was willing to keep. So I did end up returning them, but I've always just wanted a multicolor bag in my collection. So I did order that Nano Speedy and I was really excited. I will admit, I was really excited to get it in. I thought it was going to be something that I loved, but the longer that I waited for it, the less that I was getting excited about it, and even got to a point where I was considering even canceling my order. By the time that I strongly considered canceling it, my order ended up arriving. So it arrived a little earlier than anticipated. So I ended up just going up to the store, doing the unboxing in store to decide if I was actually going to bring it home or not, which is why I did the unboxing in store, because I knew that if I decided not to keep it, I might look around to see if there was something else, which is the unboxing that I'm going to share with you today. But for those of you asking why I didn't keep the Nano Speedy, honestly, there's a few different reasons. One, the size. The Nano size changed from the Nano Speedy that I have, which let me go grab it and show. This is the Nano Speedy that I have. As you can see, this is the one that has the attached strap. I actually have this listed on my Poshmark if anybody's interested in purchasing. But for me, in my opinion, this is the smallest they should make the Nano Speedy. And unfortunately, they made it quite a bit smaller in relation to the size that it already is. So every centimeter, in my opinion, matters when you're talking about a nano bag. This one fits my phone comfortably, a lip gloss, a card holder, like all of the essentials. The other one, I would say like this much smaller, and I just couldn't do it. I was struggling to get my phone in there. There's nothing worse than struggling to get things in and out of a handbag. And that was the main reason, the size. The second reason was also the coloring. As much as I think I would love to have a colorful bag, I just know I'm not going to wear it. And if it was, let's say, the like classic OG Speedy 30, that would be one thing, because size is not an issue. Color, I might only pull it out a few times a year. That's one thing. But if size is the issue and I'm rarely ever going to pull it out simply because of the color, would I ever actually use it? Most likely not. So I just decided to go ahead and leave it, get my money back. So yes, the two main reasons why I decided not to keep it were the size. It is much smaller than the Nano Speedy that I am familiar with and I like, and I honestly cannot believe that they made it smaller than this, because to me, this is the perfect like nano bag. I really do love this bag, but also the coloring, I just know I wouldn't reach for it. And if, like I said, if I've got two issues happening, the likelihood of me actually wearing it, enjoying it, and getting my money's worth is not likely. So I decided to go ahead and look around while I was in store, and I did have some kind of parameters in mind. And what I mean by that is I wasn't necessarily looking for something like super classic or super dressy. I was looking for something practical. I feel like I've had a little shift in my handbags, like the way I wear my handbags, how I wear my handbags in the last year or so. If you follow me and you watch some of my videos and stuff like that, you know that that's kind of what I've been doing. I really, really wanted something practical from Louis Vuitton. And not that I don't have some practical bags from Louis Vuitton, but I'm kind of over the crossbody moment. I'm really, really into a shoulder bag moment right now. And so that was another thing. I was looking for something practical. I was looking for something for the shoulder. I was looking for something a good everyday size. So there's definitely a few like checks that I was making sure that I would check off for the next bag that I added to my collection. And I found this and I'm obsessed. typical Louis Vuitton boxing and packaging that we're all used to. I wonder when they're going to change this. I feel like they've had this for quite a while, but they also had the brown for a really long time. So here we go. I haven't seen it since I played around with her and tried her on in store. Here is the dust bag. Any guesses? Any guesses? Put all of your guesses in the comments now before I share the bag that I got. She's kind of a big dust bag, and I can already smell her and she smells delicious. I'm really, really excited about this piece because, well, one, I really truly feel like I don't have anything like it, but I feel like this is gonna be like 2025's most used handbag. I'm calling it now. We should revisit this video at the end of the year, but I feel like this is going to be my most used handbag of the year for a few different reasons. But let's go ahead and open her up. And as you can see, I got the Speedy 30 soft, and she is seriously incredible. So if you know me at all, if you've been a follower for a while, you know that I'm not into silver hardware when it comes to my handbags. So I definitely struggled with whether I wanted to buy this bag or not. For a Speedy, it is definitely on the pricier side in my opinion. I want to say this one retails for, you know what, let me just double check, $3,250. But she definitely has the added details that you would expect from a bag at that price point. One, the interior is 100% leather lined. Obviously, you've got some extra details here there are some added little accessories. You can see that it has the kind of shorter shoulder strap here, which was kind of like the main selling point for me. I just really fell in love with this. You also have, let's see, we've got this chain here, which I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna do this. It's very kind of rocker chic. You've got the tassel here. You've got the tag here. A lot of people have the chain going from here to here. And then I've seen some people even move it all the way over here. Let me see. I think I like it. I think I like it here. Right about there. So it is a big bag. And honestly, there were two things that I was hesitant about when it comes to this bag. I will be honest. One is going to be the silver hardware. I love gold hardware. I really, really do. And two was the size. I was worried that it was a little bit big for me. But to be honest, once it's on, like the slouchiness, the softness that this bag allows, and I do think over time it's just going to get even slouchier. I just feel like it works. It's a good everyday bag. It's something that I can wear really, really comfortably. I can grab it just by the top handles here. And I love the way this strap looks. I can throw it on over my shoulder. I feel like a lot of the style that I'm wearing as well is very kind of athletic chic. I'm either in my workout wear or I'm even just styling athletic wear for my outfit of the day. And so I just feel like this works for that. So overall, I'm really, really excited about this piece. I do feel like it's very, very different from my collection, especially when it comes to my Louis Vuitton collection. I feel like I don't have anything in this like uber casual, super relaxed kind of vibe. So I really do think that I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this. Also, I recently purchased both of these shoes with no intentions of buying this bag, but going into the spring and summer wearing sandals. These are gonna be just kind of like a grab and go sandal. Are these not perfect together? These are so, so perfect together. And then of course, my newest Louis Vuitton sneakers. I do have other Louis Vuitton shoes that I totally could wear with this bag, but just these two being my newest pairs, they just go perfect. So these are perfect ways to style this already with pieces that I have in my wardrobe. I also have a couple of Louis Vuitton like casual jackets, like bomber style jackets that will totally work with this as well. So I just feel like this works really, really seamlessly into my wardrobe, both style-wise, but also just for practicality. So what do you guys think? Isn't she so beautiful? And I feel like, again, so different from what I have. She just kind of feels a little bit more of like an elevated casual bag. I love her.